Tesla Model 3. If your speakers is not working, here I open it, checked speaker is good, cables is good, everything is good, but is no sound. After I decide, okay, amplifier is not working. Open it in rear trunk. There in corner is amplifier. There also looks nice, looks good, everything. And after many research, I found out that problem was that this was disconnected and sound disappears. Coming sound just some tweeters. I'm not sure where, but it's just a high sound and like mouse. No low sound, nothing. So if you have no sound, one of the reason could be this one, because it's inside have some microphone or something, and this system I have not read about it, but if I now disconnect it again, disappear sound. If I connect, sound coming back and works nice. See you next time. Tesla Model 3. Sound problems.